Welcome. This video is going to show you how to install the high resolution board into a TRS-80 Model II 12, 16, 16B or 6000 using my new cable set, which I am now making, that's required to join the original text video board to the high resolution board and then install them in the model in the 8-inch TRS-80. So the cable set's here. That's what you get from me. It's a 40-pin connector with an IC header here, a 40-pin cable with an IC header here, and a 24-pin cable with another IC header here. It also has a U-turn in the cable, and you'll see why as we install it. That U-turn is in place. These cables are fiddly to make, hence their high price. So I'm just letting you know now. So to install it into the TRS-80, we remove the standard text video board from the computer, and we want to remove these two chips and install them here and here. This one, the 40-pin chip, which is an MC6845, just comes out and gets plugged into the socket in the same orientation. This one we need to take out. As we take it out, we need to do a 180-degree turn and then put it into the socket on the high resolution board. So there it is. That's the high resolution board setup. The next step is to take the regular video board, the text board as I call it, and we plug these cables into the sockets we just emptied. So this one just goes in like so, and the one with the U-turn in it goes in the other socket, just like that. When we now mount them in the TRS-80, we put this one into a higher socket, this one underneath it, and plug these two ends here into the two sockets on the high resolution board. So they'll sit like this, with the text board on top and the high resolution board underneath, joined by these cables. I'm going to stop the video and then we'll return and I'll show them installed inside a computer. And here it is installed into the card cage of this TRS-80 Model 16B. So I've got the high resolution board here and the regular text board up here. They could go on the exact, the same card slot one up. I've put them two apart so you can see the cables properly. So we've still got the U-turn in the cable here, and it connects to the high resolution board. So now that it's installed, let's give it a spin. Let's fire him up. Okay, insert diskette. I'm using Tristos 2.0A high res version. This is a copy of the disc that would have originally come with the high resolution board. Pop that in. For the date, I'll just put so on these. We'll clear the screen. The command G load G load the high resolution image. Okay, so there you have it. The high resolution board working on the TRS-80 8-inch system. This one's a Model 16B. GROFF turns the graphical image off. CLS clears the screen. GR on turns the graphics board back on. I'll just zoom in to get a nice close picture of how sharp it looks. Alright, so if you've bought a high resolution board off eBay recently for one of these computers and it's been missing the cable kit, my cable kit will get it running. Any questions, or if you want to order this cable kit, send me an email. Thanks for watching.